Hey guys, it's me, Turtlelicious here, and I'm just going to be showing you how I solve my 3x3x3 Rubik's Cube. So, let's just get started. So, I do it my own way, so I don't know much of you, I don't know if much of you know how to do it my way, so I guess I'll just show you, I guess. So, this is not going to be like a tutorial or anything. I'm just going to show you what moves I use, sort of. So, okay, so let me just get that out of the way. So, like usually you have to make the cross thing. So, and if you guys are wondering, you're like, this is not Turtlelicious, this is Programmer TV. Yes, I changed my name for people who have been here for a while now. So you can see I got the white side done. Okay. Now let me just do this algorithm. Okay, so I'm almost done solving the cube. Yes, I am doing the same algorithm a billion times. Okay, so this is my way on how to do it. It doesn't wreck your Rubik's Cube. Just keep that in mind. So, if you have like one of these, not stickers, but plastic Rubik's Cubes, it should work. If it doesn't, whatever. And there you go. And that is it. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll be doing a tutorial soon. It'll be the same video. I'll just make another video and I'll connect it. So, bye. Okay, we're back. So, this is the tutorial. So what you need to do first is pick a color for your main color of the cube that you're gonna be working on the most. So, in this case, I'm gonna be using the white because everyone does. And the first thing you want to do is see. This is what I usually do. I just like turn a bunch of the sides and see if I have like one of the parts of the cross, right? So here I already have two right there. So we're halfway done. And then so I'll do it on this way. So it's kind of hard to do this. So you can't really see them. There's no white there. So so if there isn't like that, just like find a white sort of, and say like I have a white right there. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to make this go all the way up, so it's turning, it's like in the same spot, but not oriented correctly. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to make it go back once. I'm going to turn it back and turn it back up. So now I got it almost done. So now here's another one right there. This is kind of easy. So you just like grab it and turn it and make it go in place right there and just turn it up. There, so now you got the white cross. But you might notice they're not all in the same spot. So the orange is good. The red is not good because it's the red part, but it's not in the correct center. So what you're going to do is grab your orange, like grab it and flip it over so the white's now on the bottom where the bottom color is, mine's yellow. And good. That one's down there. And say the red's not in the right position. So turn it until you find red. There you go. It's perfectly aligned. Now I'll grab it, turn this down so it's technically like that. So same thing. The blue, I'll make it go with his color. There. So now it's correctly positioned. Now I'll just turn it over. So now we're halfway done. So now, since you guys get the idea, I'll just do it really quick. Okay. Okay, so now you can see that it's the right cross. It's like this daisy thing, and all the centers should be correct. And what you're going to do now is just flip them all twice, so 180 degrees. So now, technically going to go up to the white side and just turn every single one up so you kind of get this thing. And you should get all your colors back up. So this is the main part of the cube that you all need to know to basically solve it. So, perfect. So now what we're going to need to do is like grab a white color. So here's how I do it. So here is a white right there. And people are wondering, like, they just like solved the whole white side, right? But they say, I put the white corners in the wrong position. How would I know? So this is how I do it. I kind of grab it, say the white's right there, right? And it's the red, right? This is how I do it. If the red is not matching the centerpiece, it's wrong. So this is red and that is blue. That is also supposed to be red. So let me just move it to the red. Perfect. So now it's the, where am I? It's kind of hard to do this. Perfect. There's the piece right there. And there's the color right there. It's matching the center. So I know this is in the right position. So what I'll do, since it's there, I'll turn this like that, and then turn it like that, and then turn it back up. So now it's in position. So here's another one right there. And beside the white, it's the orange. And I'll make the orange go in its spot. So there you go. Perfect right there. So now you know that it's the right piece, right? So now I'll put that in position and just do it a billion times until you do it, until you manage to do it. So I'll just do it right now. So now the whole top layer should be all the same color. And now what you want to do is find one of these color things, like make basically a T. But under it, look, there should be like, it shouldn't be yellow. If like the bottom's yellow instead of like orange or something, don't even bother. It just like, no, it doesn't even matter to there. So this is what you're going to do now. This is the algorithm. So say you're green and the orange color is on the left. You're going to move it this to the right. Well, left to you because the camera's the other way, obviously. And turn it that way. Turn this down. Turn this that way. Turn this that way, that way, that way, and that way. So then you're going to get that, which is good. And here's another one right there. And there's another orange under it. So, and at this time, it's on the right for me, which is a different, well, the same algorithm, but the other way. So this is technically what you're going to do. So make it go so it's the other side, and just technically repeat that algorithm the other way. I'm not even going to show you because it's that simple. And do the same thing over and over again until you finished the whole line thing. Good. So now you're going to see you have this yellow centerpiece. And then you don't know what to do, but you want to get your full yellow side thing. So this is going to be your algorithm. So you want to move this way, that way, that way, this that way, that way, that way. That should make your horizontal line. If it's vertical, make it so it's horizontal. Same again, make it so it's like that, and then do the same algorithm. Now you have your L thing, like that. Well, you should hold it in that position. When you do it, the L has to be that way. So, for me, it's the other way. So do the algorithm again. And then you should get, it should either be the whole yellow should be solved, one of the corners in, two of them in, three of them in, or none of them in. And in my case, it's one of them in. So what you're going to do now is make it so like the middle piece is like the corner piece is at the middle. And now what you want to do is grab it and twist it. It should turn if you have the plastic, not sticker color Rubik's Cube pieces. If yours are stickers, I don't think it will work because they have like a really tough material thing and it won't let you turn it, which kind of sucks. And then just do it every single one. You should get the whole thing done like that. And you should get matching corners. So what I mean by corners are, look at that. See, look, red and red, that's perfect. And if you ever get this situation, you want to do this algorithm. Well, even if you don't have the same corners, you want to do the same algorithm twice. So this is what the algorithm is. This, this, this. There. So now you should get one full side, one that's missing that has the wrong middle piece, and one that has, and the rest of them are wrong. If they're all wrong middle pieces, you want to do this algorithm twice. So this is what it is. Turn this part over, take it to the side, bring this down, turn this all the way over, bring this up, turn it to the side, turn it over, and then it might be so, but if they're like a little wrong, you have to do the algorithm 3 times. If you have to do it 3 times if the center isn't solved, if you're unlucky, and you have to do it twice if you have this solved and the rest of them aren't. So let's do the algorithm one more time. And congratulations, you have successfully solved the Rubik's Cube. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe on this video. That's greatly appreciated, and I'll see you next time.